This is me doing the zipline, people! Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. Follow me on all of your social media.
She has no social media.
Mom! Stop it! Stop it! I have TikTok, I have Likey, I have Instagram,
First of all, I've never heard
Snapchat.
of... No, ma'am, you do not have any of those items.
Yeah, I do. I took pictures on Kayla's Snapchat and on other
Snapchat.
friends' Snapchat.
Snapchat.
This is so fun. It's literally raining outside, you guys, but I'm having so much fun. I want to show you a little cheer move. Spirit. Woo! I'm still working on it.
Yeah, that was great. Great job. Huh? And this is a cold rain. This is not like a warm spring rain. Yeah.
Spirit. Yes, we do. Mom, do the zipline again, please.
All right, now. You ain't staying in the rain and keep getting this little thing for you, girl.
Comment down below, have you ever been in a rain? I mean, have you ever been to a park in the rain? Because this is so amazing. This is actually my school, but we can't get on the playground, so I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna do jumping up mode. I'm swimming through the water.
Girl. All right, phone is going away. It's raining.